Pizza delivery. Pwede pala tayo magkaroon. So that means to say we can have pizza in the middle of this forest?
You can have anything.
Oh my, I can't believe that we are having pizza in the middle of nowhere. And it's warm pizza.
Call my mom.
Yeah, and guess what? There's another thing that's happening in this place. Like what we have. Ta-dang! Okay, cool, huh? Already sharing the best. Oh, pizza! Yummy!
Maybe it's connecting to something.
Guys, ang buhay simple, rock and roll lang. Pwede talaga, pwedeng mamuhay ng simple, pero masaya, oh. Yan na, ang aming fire, kulit ng asawa ko. Hindi pa rin nakakabihis, nakapansimba pa rin. Ano ba yan? Naubos na ang aming, aming fire pit. Yan na, dilim. Madilim, people, madilim. Okay, good night.